Hello everyone, I hope this video finds you well, and in today's video we're gonna learn Canva. So this is our introduction class in which we're gonna use you guys to Canva. So let's start it. First of all, today's video is going to be introduction to Canva and its interface. After that we're gonna learn basic design elements, what basic design elements are in Canva. After that, we're going to learn what exporting is and how to export your design. After that, we're going to learn about some templates, that what templates are, how to use template. There are some prefabricated templates and there are some templates which you can make from scratch. Then we're going to learn working with images. You are learning Canva to make some images also. You should learn how to edit them, how to crop them, or how to put some element and design in them, how to use images in your design properly. We're gonna learn that. After that, typography and text effect. After that, graphics and icon, how to use graphics and icons which so your design look pleasant. After that, we're gonna learn some advanced tips about Canva, then animation and interactive design. We're gonna learn how to animate and how to make some interactive designs. After that, we're gonna learn collaborating with teams. If you're working on a project, then you must collaborate with your team, or you might sometime not collaborate with your team, but if you're working in an organization, in a digital marketing company, you're gonna collaborate with your team. Then we're gonna learn how to collaborate with the team. Then print design, how to print your design which you have been made. Then social media graphics, we're gonna learn how to design some social media graphics which you wanna use for marketing or branding purposes. Also, we're gonna learn t-shirt designs. You have seen that t-shirts has design. You can design your own own t-shirt. You can make your own design and get them print from some printing vendor. Then making advertisement, how to make advertisement of any business, any institute, or anything which you wanna make. You can make some marketing and advertisement videos and photos of those things. Then we're gonna learn how to make logos and banners. So after that, we're gonna cover photo editing, how to edit photo or make a cover photo, all those things. Then we're gonna learn how to make reels, social media post. Canva is a very powerful tool through which you can make social media reels and social media post also, and it has prefabricated templates according to the size of Instagram or YouTube. After that, we're gonna learn exporting again, how to export all those things. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. After completing the Canva series, easily use Canva for most general purposes, which include photo editing, video editing, to advertisement making. You're gonna easily make some advertisement, you can easily edit some photos or videos after completing this Canva series. Also, you're gonna use most of the Canva tools and utilities and use of them with efficiency. When you complete this series, you're gonna know where the tools are, where the utilities are, and you can use them according to your needs. Now let's move on to the next step. Now I'll introduce you guys to Canva and its interface. So here we are. This is the home page of the Canva. This is what we called Canva. So in front you can see that there is a search option. You can search your projects over here. If you made your previous project, some projects you can search over here. You can search prefabricated templates and all those things. Like you're gonna go to your design section and you can search your designs over here. Templates, if you're looking for some prefabricated templates, all those templates are prefabricated. You can search over here for them. And here's the Canva AI. If you are looking to generate some images, you can just put prompt over here and the Canva AI is going to generate that image for you, and you can use those images in your design. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Here's the menu. Here's the new chat, start new chat option, and here's going to be your previous chat. If you guys are using some sort of AI, then you know that you can chat with the AI. This is the same thing. This is Canva AI. Here you can find your previous chat. For example, I have put in a prompt before cat cooking food videos, but due to some error of my account type, it is not able to generate video for me, but it generated some photos of cat cooking food. Look at this. This cat is very happy. It is working in a kitchen, making some food for herself or for its family. Here's another one. It has also generated this. This cat is making something. I don't know what she is making and why it has three hands. So these things are normal while working with the AI, although I haven't described much in the prompt. Okay, so now let's move on to the create section. If you click on that create section, over to the left you can see sheet, document, whiteboard, presentation, social media, photo editor, video, printables, and all those options. You can choose one from these according to your needs, and these same things are over here. Like if you wanna create a logo, mostly logo is around 500 into 500 pixels. It has already set those pixels over here. Instagram, the Instagram post aspect ratio is already set over here. You can just go ahead and create those things like poster, portrait, A2 sheet. These things is already in centimeters. The dimensions are already over here. You don't need to put dimensions in your new design. You just need to choose the one according to your need, what you are looking for. And also there are some templates for you guys also if you wanna just edit something like recently Navratras has gone, and if you want to make some Navratra poster or anything video like this, just click on it and edit it. That's all. Here's a sheet option if you want to make some sheets, document like invoice or your resume, anything like that. You can do it from here. This is just a whiteboard. Whiteboard, you can choose whiteboard to plan something or make something. Presentation also, you can make some presentation over here. Also social media content, all those things. So I have shown you all those things. Now let's move on to the home section. So I have introduced you to this home section also, that the same option you can find over here which you find in the create section. These options are also available in the home section. So in home section, see what's new. You can find some recommendations from the Canva over here. Your recent designs are over here, and that's all for the home section. Let's move on to the project. Next is project. In project section, you can see your recent project or your uploaded designs or folders. All those things you can find over here. You can search for some folders or any uploads which you have recently uploaded. You can filter these things from over here also. Now let's move on to the templates. Templates are very interesting. If you want to save time, you can just pick any template, whichever you suits you, and just edit it and make them according to your need. For example, these for you option is suggestions by the Canva for you for according to your previous work, and the star section is where you're gonna get the templates which you like the most. This business section, you're gonna find all the business related templates over here, like documentation, presentation. You can subcategory these. For example, I need to make a presentation, then I want to select this, or I need to make some business cards, then I'm going to select this. And now all the prefabricated templates related to business cards has been appear over here. Now if I want to choose one, I can choose anyone from over here, or I can make my own from the scratch. Okay, now same for the social media. In this section you're gonna find all those filters over here and prefabricated templates over here. For example, this is another template. You can edit it and use it, or you are hiring someone, you can use this video like join us, let's work together, and put it on your company's social media handle. You can use all those things like Facebook post. These now by selecting and filtering these Facebook posts, I'll get the appropriate dimensions of these templates which Facebook allows to upload. Now let's move further. Education. In this, you're gonna find all the templates related to the education, like if you are a school or if you are an institute, you want to make some branding, marketing, all those things, you can find over here. Or you are a student, you want to make some presentations to impress your teachers, you can find everything over here. For example, here's a certificate. If you are an institute and you want to design a certificate, you can take a prefabricated template over here. Just you need to use this template and edit all those things, and here you go. You got a template for you got a certificate for yourself. Here's one more. You can use this customize this template option. You can click on this and customize it, or you can make one from scratch. So these are templates. Same thing goes with the videos. There are prefabricated videos. You can use it according to your needs. You can make their dimensions according to you by pixel or by centimeter, whatever you are looking for. And same here thing goes for the marketing. There are some marketing templates like this, or you can find anything interesting over here like this. If you are a restaurant, you are looking to design menu, here's you go, customize template, put your prices over here, and the menu is ready for you. Here's more. Or you want to design these things from scratch, you can print product. You can find these things over here like gift card, mugs, or mouse pads, water bottles. If you want to print all those things, you want to make design, because every design has its dimensions, then you can choose one from here. Like mugs, I want to print a mug, I can choose one design over here from here and edit it. Be yourself. Like this one, customize here, you can change this, you can change this line, you can change each and everything, or you can create one from the scratch. Then go ahead to a vendor who had the capabilities to print all those things and get them print for yourself. Like gift cards, I want to make some gift cards. I can choose any template from over here and edit them, like premium paper, all those things. You can get them printed by the Canva also. Now let's move to the Canva AI section. I have already introduced you to this section, and there are some pre-designs which has been made earlier, and there are some pre-made designs over here which you can use in your videos. Like this video has been made by the AI, and I have shown you the cat photos which I have generated by the Canva AI. Now let's move on to the apps. In this section you can find different kind of apps. For example, Google Drive, Dropbox. You can use or integrate these apps into the Canva. And suppose you have designed something, you can just directly send it to your Google Drive and all those things. And there's many more apps like Instagram and all those things also. Some AI generating apps are also over here. You can use these things to generate your photos or videos, audio and voiceover, AI music, AI voice. These apps are also over here. You can use these too. Okay. Now let's move further. Then here's your notification option. All your notifications is going to be appear over here. Then there's profile option. In the profile option, here's your account details. Then your settings. If you click over here, manage account, you can manage your current account. Then here's the setting option. In settings, you can choose your profile, remove or change your profile photo, change your name, email address, your category, business category, or login, logout, accessibilities, message preference, all those things, data and storage. You can check and modify all those things. So that's all for the introduction video, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. So take care till then. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video.